भाई सब हजरात मुतवज्जो, इंतजार की घड़ियां इंशाल्लाह खत्म होने वाली है। हरिपुर वाले साथी भी बिल्कुल रेडी है और हमारे जितने भी फेलो थे ट्रेनिंग फेलो वो भी इंशाल्लाह रेडी है। मैं सिर्फ बचा के साथ तो मुसाफिर करता हूँ और फिर रोटी के लिए तैयार हूँ।
अच्छा जी।
Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to congratulate Abdullah Sahib on the wedding and Dastarbandi of his son. I apologize for my absence. I would like to present these highlights of the program to Abdullah Sahib as a gift. On January 11, 2026, there was a Dastarbandi and wedding program of Shakirullah, the son of our training fellow Abdullah Sahib, in Lunkhwad, Mardan. In which all the training fellows friends were invited. Alhamdulillah, the friends from Mardan, Sawabi, Charsadda, Ripur, Malakand and Peshawar districts participated. Abdullah Sahib warmly welcomed these colleagues. Finally, the colleagues expressed their impressions about the program. Riyaz Ahmad Ansari, a respected colleague of Mene Sawabi, thanked Abdullah Sahib for this program and the participation of the colleagues. He said that everyone should pray that my son's leave is approved. Then inshallah we will organize a similar program in Mene Sawabi. Overall, all the participants enjoyed the program very much. The host, Abdullah, thanked the participants for their participation. The participants returned to their homes with a smile and joy. Thank you. Thank you very much.